Hey there, welcome to Exchange Playbook. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a Bybit account step by step. When you sign up for Bybit using a referral link, you can receive up to 20% off trading fees, so it's definitely worth using. You'll find the official sign-up link in the description or profile link. Just click that link to get started. Now, let's create your account. You can sign up using either email or phone number, but I recommend using email for easier account management. Enter your email address and create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Once you continue, you'll see a simple puzzle verification. Just click and drag the piece into the correct position to complete it. Next, Bybit will send a 6-digit verification code to your email. Check your inbox and enter the code to verify your email address. After that, install the Bybit app, open it, and log in. On the home screen, tap Verify Now to start the KYC verification process. Select your country of residence, then choose one of the following documents for verification: a driver's license, national ID, or passport. In this example, I'll use a national ID. You'll then be asked to take photos of your ID. Capture the front and back of the document as instructed. After that, you'll move on to face verification. Make sure you're in a well-lit environment and do not wear a hat, glasses, or a mask. During the process, you may be asked to turn your head or blink your eyes for real-time verification. Once face verification is complete, you just need to wait for approval. In many cases, verification is completed within a few minutes. After verification, go to My Rewards to check and claim any available USDT rewards, which can be used to offset trading fees. Now, let's move on to security settings. Tap Settings, then open the security menu. First, hit Create Passkey. After the email verification, go ahead and click Google 2FA Authentication. Here, you can enable Google Authenticator 2FA. Tap to activate it, and when prompted, install Google Authenticator. Then tap Continue. You'll see a 16-digit backup key on the screen. This key is extremely important. If someone else gets access to it, they can set up your authenticator on another device, so make sure to store it safely. Tap Copy Key. Now open Google Authenticator. Tap Get Started, then choose Enter a Setup Key. For the account name, enter something recognizable, like Bybit. Then paste the 16-digit key into the key field and tap Add. You'll now see a 6-digit code generated in Google Authenticator. Enter that code back into the Bybit app to complete the setup. And that's it. You successfully created and secured your Bybit account. You're now ready to start trading. If this video helped you, give it a like and check the description for useful links. Thanks for watching and see you next time.